What's going on, guys? Jake Teasley here with the latest Mustang and automotive news. We've got some crazy results from the 2018 Mustang GT. Basically, it's got a Hellion Eliminator twin turbo kit with a fuel system, and it's making 1,200 rear wheel horsepower. It's the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen. How is the stock engine doing this? I know the previous generation Coyotes could make 1,000 with a Hellion kit, maybe even a little more. I guess the better breathing heads and the design, the little compression bump and fuel system technology and everything, and the tune that they've got. They're running 62s, but anyway, I'm gonna let you watch the video. It is incredible, so just check it out, okay?
Better. So here's the best three that we got. 17 pulls today. So on E85, 6 pounds of boost, 6.18 pounds. This thing made 712. Okay. At 15 pounds, it made 1,090. And then a little over 18 and a half pounds made almost 1,200. That's a bone stock motor, 2018 GT. Hellion twin turbo kit, 62mm precision turbos, XDI high pressure pump, Foreign Innovations fuel system. Everything else on the car is bone stock. Look at it, pulling all the way almost to 8,000. I mean, it's ridiculous. Look at that flat power curve, flat boost curve. What more do you want? Pretty.
All right, guys. So, what do you think about those results? I'm not sure if this car is a manual car or an auto car. And I don't know how the automatic, 10-speed automatic is going to hold up with 1,200 wheel horsepower. I don't know if it would hold up going down the drag strip with sticky tires. On street tires, it would probably have no problem because they would just spin and it won't break anything necessarily. But I don't know. With the new Pilot Sports, they're a little stickier. But regardless, stock engine, unopened engine with just a bolt-on turbo kit, a fuel system that takes, some time and a little extra money to do that. But at the end of the day, you're talking about a 1,200 wheel horsepower Mustang. I don't know how long it'll last like that, but, if you're going to go to the half mile, I mean, the only cars that are making those kinds of power are going to be, your twin turbo Gallardos and these half mile cars, GTRs, that have had tons and tons and tons of money. Those turbo kits are in the tens and tens of thousands of dollars to even compete. So crazy numbers coming out of the 2018 with the Hellion twin turbo kit. I would think that it's going to be a little laggy with the 62s, but if you've got the 10-speed automatic, that would probably just be pretty amazingly fun to drive also, especially with E85. Tons of torque, pulling way up to 8,000 RPMs. It's gonna be a heck of a fun car to drive. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to share this with you. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Go over to Hellion Power Systems, subscribe to their channel too. It sounds like that they want to take it to the track and test it out actually and see what it'll run in the quarter. I don't care if it hooks up or not. I'm just curious to see what the mile per hour would be at 1,200 wheel horsepower. If it's running in the 150s or even faster than that. That's amazing. So anyways, guys, thanks for checking it out, and have a great day.